Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove pin on a laptop and PC on your Windows 11. The first thing you need to do is right click on your start icon and then click here on settings. Now, in the settings window, I want you to go ahead and select accounts. This is the one right here, which has this icon of the person. Go ahead and click on that and then click on sign in options. Okay, now here under sign in options, you'll see all the available login methods for your device. So you need to locate the pin option. This one right here, go ahead and select this one to expand more options. Now currently I don't have a pin set, but what you would see is a remove button right here to remove the pin, and they will give you a confirmation prompt once you click on that. You just need to enter your Microsoft account password to confirm the removal, and once it's confirmed, the pin will be removed and you'll need to use your password or another login method. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha Gamar.